Hey guys, Jordan here from Tech Revolution. Today I want to talk about our Blaze Series rear bumper for a Ford Bronco. Now this bumper is constructed out of 3/16 steel as well as a two-stage heavy-duty powder coat and e-coat finish, as well as 2 recovery points. Now I want to talk about these recovery points a little bit. What some other companies do is they just weld this to the bumper and that's all you get. What we actually do is we actually take this whole thing and it's all the way through the bumper, so it's really reinforced while it's welded on the outside and the inside. We fully expect you guys to use this while out on the trail. Now this bumper does fit any trim level of any Bronco, so that includes the Outer Banks, Big Bend, Sasquatch, whatever Bronco that you have, this bumper will accommodate for it. Now one thing that we do is we offer multiple vents here. So whether you want lights, or if you have sensors in your bumper, or even if you wanted a 30-inch light bar as well in the center, we have multiple options for that. So just make sure that when you are purchasing the bumper that you get the correct one for your Bronco. Now if you guys want to learn more about this bumper and how it's installed, go ahead and click the links below. These bumpers are in stock, ready to ship, and as always, stay up to date with us on our social media at crawltechrevolution.com.